everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for amazing support. And if you are new, you are welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my upload. Guys, 2021 has been a beautiful year for our Africa's #1 female DJ Zinhle. She recently launched her first ever store at the Mall of Africa, and guys, we are currently watching her new reality show DJ Zinhle, The Unexpected, on Bet Africa. Today, Machiane shared the following message on her Instagram page: "There is nothing more rewarding than bringing new life into the world. At Metabongs and I are so grateful and beyond blessed. Welcome, baby. At Asante with love. I am complete." As we all know, guys, that she was expecting, yes, she is now officially a mother of 2, Carol and the baby boy Asante. Fans flooded her comment section with love and congratulation messages. "A child is a blessing from the men above. We wish them all the best. Congratulations to her and the whole family." Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Do leave your comment below and let's show her some love. Bye.